Good morning, you guys. It is still pretty early here, almost 4:30 a.m. and it's a Sunday, 1st of July 2018. And you may ask, why did I wake up so early in the morning? Well, it's because my cousins and we will be going to the beach today. We'll probably go to the Wedi Ombo beach, and I'm so excited because I've never been there, but I've heard great things about the beach. Yeah, so I'm getting ready now to go to Mbak Pipi's place to meet with Mbak Pipi, Mas Adi, and Uut, and then after that, the trip to the beach. Yes. Finally, I've arrived in Mbak Pipi's place, and now we're just waiting for everybody to finish getting ready. We're ready, and we will be going now to the car. And yeah, so excited about Wedi Ombo beach. And it's a bit out of town, so the trip itself is going to take us at least several hours from Jogja to Wedi Ombo beach, and it should be fun. Myself and we got some straightening up to do, and I've gonna miss you like a child misses their blanket, cause I've got to get a move on with my life. Ooh, don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry her anyway. Marry that girl. Marry her anyway. Marry that girl. I don't need your love. I've been done. I've been moving on since we said goodbye. I got you off. Yalah. Itu liriknya itu loh. Makanya kan. You said you're sorry, but it's too late now. Get gone, shut up. Just like nicotine, heroin, morphine. I'm a fiend and you're all I need. All I need. Yeah, all I need. Soalnya gak nyampe. It's you, babe, and I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I've been trying to hurry that reboot, babe. Yang penting muni. Since it's going to be at least another few more hours before hours.
Just an hour.
No, okay. Just an hour away? Okay. But anyways, since it's breakfast time, we are stopping here to get breakfast. Teh panas tawar. What's so special about this place?
Don't know.
Don't know? Never been here?
Never been.
Sotonya enak?
My friend taught me this is good.
Ngomong apa?
Iya, gue juga dengernya. So I was asking him what's so special about the soto.
I don't know. This is first time
Yeah,
for
so-
us too. So
Yeah, hopefully it's
we're
good.
just gonna try it. Yeah.
Yeah.
We plan to stop by in here for years.
Okay. Yeah. Hopefully it's good.
Hopefully, I mean.
Check out the side dishes. Now this is the quail egg satay, and then this is the chicken liver, and yeah, this is the chicken feet. And what else do we have here?
Crocodile.
Perkedel is like
Mashed potato but fried.
yeah, fritters, potato fritters, and then this is fried tempeh, my favorite.
Yeah, what is this?
What is it?
I don't know.
Bakwan, I think. Corn bakwan.
Jangan cuma dicium aja ya.
Corn fritters.
It is, yeah.
Okay. Corn fritters. Try it. Is it good?
Oh,
Is it good?
good.
Yeah.
This is cassava.
Cassava?
Cassava. And they fried, they mashed it and then they fried it.
Okay, so like perkedel but with cassava.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have our tea. Hot tea in this cold morning. Yay, our soto is here.
Malah belum nyampe.
Here's mine. Okay. Ooh.
Itu soto.
So
Kita doa bersama dong.
the soto looks like here. Yeah, like this. Gosh.
Oh, balik lana.
Ya, selamat makan.
Selamat makan.
Makan.
Ngebul-ngebul gitu loh. Ya, boleh ini. Can you spot the smoke?
This.
Hours of a hard trip to the Wedi Ombo. We're finally here. Now, why did I say it was hard? Because there's lots of ups and downs, and then there's lots of turns, and I have to concentrate on not puking because I was about to throw up, really, because of the challenging road. But so excited that we're finally here because I love beach and I've never been here before. Check it out, you guys. It's so beautiful. We're deciding on which beach umbrella to rent because, yeah, we need the best spot, one that won't get too hot, but also close to the best part of the beach.
Kayaknya kok panas di sini. Tapi di sana lebih rame ya, Vin. Nah, di sana lebih rame ya. Yang sebelah sana rame orang.
It's relaxing now, laying here. Maybe I'll fall asleep. Maybe I'll take a nap here. I don't know for sure. I just want to apa sih bahasa Inggrisnya, memulihkan diri, recuperate. Anyways, I just want to feel better because earlier, like I told you before, the trip, the trip that we took to this beach, it was a bit rough on me because the road, there was lots of ups and downs, and then lots of turn, left, right, and left, right. and yeah, so I was almost throwing up, but I kept it under control, and right now I'm just going to rest here, enjoying the beach. And who would have thought that marshmallow would be the perfect beach snack? So I like it, because normally you bring marshmallow when you're camping, but it's not that bad eating it on the beach like this.
Ada yang camping di sebelah sana.
Di mana?
Sebelah sana.
Boleh ya?
Mas sampahnya.
Oh, dibuang sembarangan?
Itu ada yang naruh apa? Kelapa.
Just woke up from a nice nap, and now we're just gonna walk at the beach. Oh, ini.
I think sih.
Iya, mirip sih.
Right?